Hello everyone, I am Srinivas. Welcome to my channel. Guys, now we are in class 7 of the chapter heat, and in this class let us see how to verify the principle of method of mixtures. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Do like this video and also share the video. For new notifications, please click on the bell icon. Guys, in class 6, we have seen a problem. And in that problem, using method of mixtures, we try to find the final temperature attained by mixture. That mixture is having 50 grams of water at temperature of 20 degrees and 50 grams of water at temperature 40 degrees C. See, if you don't watch the class 6, please watch it so that you will understand how we solve this problem. In that problem, we obtained the temperature of final mixture as 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, using this formula we derived using the principle of method of mixtures. So the same problem I am taking in a different manner to verify the principle of method of mixtures. So let us see. So here what is the problem stating? 50 grams of water at temperature of 20 degrees Celsius and 50 grams of water at temperature of 40 degrees Celsius are mixed. So we are taking A, whose temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, and we are taking B, whose temperature is 40 degree. So here the temperature of B is high and temperature of A is less. So A will become our cool body and B will become our hot body. So these are mixed. So these are mixed into the C. So that the final temperature of the mixture is 30 degrees Celsius. So C is the mixture. C is the resulting mixture whose final temperature is 30 degrees Celsius. This we obtained in the last class. Okay. So here A is 50 grams, B is also 50 grams. So if we mix these two, the resulting mass is nothing but M1 plus M2, that is 100 grams. So here we need to verify the principle of method of mixtures. So what is the principle of method of mixtures? Heat lost by hot body equals to heat gained by cold body. Here A is cool, B is hot. When we mix these two, what happens? B will lose its heat energy and A will gains the heat energy. And as per the principle of method of mixtures, the heat gained by A will be equals to the heat lost by B. Now let us see whether it is following or not. So let us calculate heat lost by hot body. Here our hot body is B. So we know the formula for heat. What is that? Ms delta T. So here M is the mass of B. What is mass of B? That is 50 grams into S is the specific heat. So here we are taking water. For water the specific heat is 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius. And delta T is the change in temperature. Here the initial temperature of B is 40 and final temperature is how much? 30. So to calculate the change, high temperature minus low temperature. Here 40 is high, 30 is low. So 40 minus 30 we are getting. So 50 into 1 into 10, that is 500 calories. So what is the amount of heat lost by B? That is 500 calories. Now we will see what is the heat gained by this cold body, that is A, which is nothing but Ms delta T. Here M is the mass of A. What is the mass of A? It is 50 grams into specific heat. Here we are taking water. So specific heat is 1 for water into delta T. Delta T is change in temperature. The initial temperature is 20 and final is 30. So which is the highest? 30 minus 20. So you need to take 30 minus 20, which will give you 10. So again 500 calories. So here heat lost by hot body is 500 calorie. Heat gained by cold body is also 500 calorie. And these both are equal, right? These both are equal. So you can say that heat lost by hot body is nothing but heat gained by cold body. So this is our principle of method of mixtures and hence verified. So this is the way we can verify the principle of method of mixtures. Okay. All you need to calculate is the heat lost by hot body and heat gained by cold body. And you need to check whether these both are same or not. Both are same. Hence the principle of method of mixtures is satisfied. And hence we are verifying the law. This is all for this class, guys. If you have any doubt, let me know in the comment section. In next class, we will be explaining you a very important topic, that is specific heat determination of a given material using an experiment. Friends, please subscribe to my channel. Do like this video and also share the video. For new notifications, click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.